Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best animal design ears hooded towel for babies. The TBEZY Baby Hooded Towel with unique animal design. This one's the chick design, and let me tell you, it's as adorable as it is functional. Let's dive right into what makes this towel a favorite among new parents. Right out of the packaging, you're greeted by a super soft, thick cotton towel with a playful, charming chick design. The hood, shaped like a little chick's head, is what steals the show, perfect for wrapping your newborn in warmth and cuteness after bath time. It's not just cute for pictures, it's practical too. That hood helps keep the towel in place, especially when your little one gets a bit squirmy. Now, let's talk materials. The towel is crafted from 450 GSM double-layered cotton, which means it's ultra-absorbent and warm. One side is velour for that soft, luxurious touch, and the other is terry for excellent water absorption. This dual-layer design offers both comfort and functionality. Your baby gets dry faster and stays cozy longer. It's generously sized at 32 by 24 inches, making it suitable from newborn up to 12 months. That's key for growing babies because this towel won't be outgrown in just a few weeks. You can use it after every bath, or even after a swim. And because it's made from long staple natural cotton, it's breathable and gentle on sensitive baby skin. What's also worth noting is the eco-friendly factor. The cotton used in this towel is sustainably sourced and has a faster growth cycle, which means less water and fewer nutrients are needed during production. That's a win for the planet and a great value add for parents who care about a greener future. One thing you'll notice when using this towel is how quickly it absorbs moisture. A quick wrap and light pat, and your baby is dry and happy. Plus, that warm cotton acts almost like a snuggly blanket, so your baby feels secure and cozy, even after the warm water is gone. As for aesthetics, the chick design isn't just cute, it's unique. TBEZY has gone the extra mile to make this towel stand out in a sea of plain white options. It also makes a fantastic gift. Whether you're building a baby registry, attending a baby shower, or gifting a new parent, this towel adds both charm and utility. To sum it up, the TBEZY Baby Hooded Towel in the chick design is soft, thick, eco-conscious, and built for everyday use. It's thoughtfully designed from the stitching to the material to the playful look. With that, it earns its place as the best animal design ears hooded towel on the market today. If you're shopping for newborn essentials or simply want to spoil your baby with a towel that delivers both comfort and cuteness, this one's a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns. See you in the next one.